Hello everyone, welcome to a class of Python beginners tutorial for learning Python programming. So if you're planning to learn Python programming, then you are in the right place because in this class we will cover everything to get you started with Python. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. Introduction to Python, setting up Python and PyCharm, basic concept about variables, understanding different data types, different type of operators, usefulness of comments, str, integer and float in Python, string manipulation and string methods, functions in Python, importing modules in Python, collecting user input, if, elif and else statements in Python, the while loop, the for loop, learning all about list, learning about tuples, dictionaries and their methods, and lastly, we will learn about sets. After completing this class, you will be able to do basic programming in Python, know about different data types, learn about conditional statements, know about using different functions, learn about loops, input modules. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have programming challenges. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in programming challenges and you can do practice while you're learning. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning Python programming together.